Right, we're on another ride. This time we're going again to Chester, but we're going to choose a different route. We're going to go on the internal route behind along Liso towards the Liso lighthouse, and then we're going to go to Hoylake, and then we're going to West Kirby, Wirral Way, the boardwalks, a coffee at Nets, something like that, or Nesting. Yeah, gonna be a good day. Hairpin Bend. So here we are, this is down the back of B&Q, and this road, little path's great, it just goes under the motorway and it takes you to Liso Golf Course, and we go across the golf course after Leonie goes through this puddle, yeah, and then we head towards Liso Lighthouse, and then we hit the prom again, you know, the sort of coastal route to West Kirby and Hoylake. And apparently we're having Wetherspoons at breakfast today, which we're very excited about. Well, I am anyway. So this is just to the side of Liso Estate and the River Birket, and we're on this little cycle path. Very nice, very smooth, and this takes us towards Cadbury's really, and then from there we go down the side of Cadbury's. A nice route, very off-road. So just by the school there, we cross over this bridge, takes us over the other side of the Birket, and then it's quite a nice bridge actually, nice area. Very good. Golf course over there, and the Birket's there, and we just follow along. It's great. This is what we call the internal route, because obviously we could go all the way round New Brighton, Harrison Drive, Derby Pool, but this is quite a pleasant, quiet alternative. If anyone wants to have a quiet ride, it's nice. It's all been resurfaced, cracking condition, and yeah, it brings you out on the coastal route anyway. So you just cut a whole corner off, which is brilliant. Right, here we are on the Wirral Way, and we're heading towards Parkgate, or Nesting, because Leonie wants a proper coffee. It's a beautiful day, autumn, all the leaves are dropping, sadly, getting ready for winter.
But it's very sunny.
But it's very, very sunny. So we'll catch you later. Right, so here we are going down the Wirral Way, we're heading towards Parkgate. We're using electric bikes today because I'm feeling old. So yeah, we're using the electric Pendletons. I don't know if you can see them. No, you can't. But anyway, we're using electric Pendletons because we're going to Chester. We have done it on the normal bikes, but some days you just fancy being lazy and enjoying the ride for what it's worth, and it's just a lovely day, so why not? So yeah, so we're off to get a coffee in Nesting, and then from there we'll go towards Burton Mere. So this is what e-bikes are great for, because here's a big hill that we're on, and I'm on medium now. Turn it up. So now we're on high, and it's like super duper. You don't have to do anything. Well, you do, you pedal, but it's not like pedaling uphill, it's just like pedal. And you get to overtake all the 18-year-olds. So, what hill? And then obviously when we go over the hill, we just turn it off again. It's fantastic. Put it back down to minimum. Freedom, baby. And then you get to do the woohoo downhill. Yeah, you don't even have to pedal. Woohoo! 100 mile an hour. The only thing is, I'm doing it one-handed, so you only be going mad. Woohoo! And then we join the Wirral Way. So here we are, the marshes. It's always lovely down here, it really is. And these are the boardwalks that they built for the cyclists to go over, and the pedestrians and anyone else. Scooters now. And then obviously we're heading to Deeside, which is down that way, and then Chester. It's a great place, it really is. And all this is on the Wirral so far that we've done. We haven't really left the Wirral yet. Look at the weather now, it's gorgeous, sunshine, it's boiling. It's October and it's something like, it must be 18. So we're going along the River Dee now and we're heading towards Chester, and then from there we're getting a coffee, and then we're going to decide what we're doing next. We've got a few ideas. Anyway, hot day, October, mad. Yeah, so we come along here, this is as we come into Chester, and then any minute now we're going to end up in Chester Racecourse, because there's a path down the side of it. So this is it, you come in and you end up the racecourse in Chester. The pathway goes right along the side of the racecourse. Only, obviously there's no races, but it's great, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's freshly cut, it smells lovely, beautiful. It takes you all the way around, and if you look in the distance you'll see like an archway. You go through there and then you're out in the city then, where all the shops are. You get yourself a coffee, which is what we plan to do, and then we've got to decide what we're doing next. Because I say we pedal up the canal back to Ellesmere Port, but Leonie might say let's get the train and go home. We'll see.